So let's others also to join. Then we'll start in 1 minute.
Sir, I got the answer. It's 2232.
Right, right. Okay. See this one how we can solve 3 6 and then we have 62. Proper solving is there. Same process. State 6 to the 12 to carry 1. Then we'll do crossing is cross multiplication. Crossing is cross multiplication. 3 to the 6 and 6 is a 36. 3 to the 6 and 6 is a 36. 36 plus 6 will be 42. 42 and carry 1 43. 3 carry 4 18. State 18 and 4 22. If you are getting or something else 2232, right? So 2232 will be the answer. Everyone is getting this method.
6764. The
Six
next
six.
one.
One second. Let me explain this one once again. State there's 6 to the 12 to carry 1, then cross 3 to the 6 and 6 to the 36. 36 and 6 we have to add. 42. 42 and 1 also we have to add. 43. Carry 4. Carry 4 we have to remember. And then 6, 3, 18 and 4, 22. Right. Next one we'll see now.
Sir, answer for the next one is 6764.
6, 7, 6, 4. Okay. We have to see because direct
676.
this we have to solve 76, 89. We'll do, we can say state 9 6 are 54. 4 carry 5 then cross 9 8 are 72. See sometimes the big values can also come. 9 7 are 63 and 8 6 are 48. Those 9 7 are 63 and 48 we can add. 8 to 3 11 carry 1, 10 1 11 and then 5 also we can add. So 6 is 116 and this 116 will become, this will become 116. 6 will come down and 11 will be carried. 11 will be in carry and 8 7 are 56. 56 plus 11 will be 67. So carefully we have to apply this method. Actually this will take some 5 to 10 seconds, but every time this will take less time than our conventional method, that is for sure. And once you understand the
Yeah.
trick, this now it will
Yes, sir. Once we'll
yeah,
practice it, you can do it.
that will say because these are big numbers. 34 42 is easier one, you can try.
Yeah. Its answer is 1428.
1428. Okay, see 4 2 ja 8 straight, then cross करेंगे 3 2 ja 6 and 4 4 ja 16. 3 2 ja 6 and 4 4 ja 16. 16 and 6 22 carry 2 and then straight 12 to 14. Right. So to avoid silly mistakes, I already have this one told in last session. Always speak and write because now when we speak and write, we have full 100% attention, or we can say focus to what we are this now solving the question. So chances are very less to have this now silly mistakes. We'll get correct answer 1428. Next one 6 to
Yeah. Next
28.
one is 1736.
1326.
1326 and one more
17. Sir, I
173.
got 1736.
36. Okay, two values I got. No problem. We'll see one by one. We can solve. So this is basically 62 and 28. So state 8 to sorry 8 to the 16 6 carry 1, then cross 8 is a 48. 48 and 4. 48 and 4 will be 52. 52 153 3 carry 5, carry 5 12 and 5 17. So 1736 is the right one. Try once, miss 1 second you can check and verify. 1736 will get. Everyone is getting this one, fourth one also.
Yes.
All the tricks are important. वो सारे करके ना ओवरऑल करके मतलब फास्ट हो जाता है. कोई ना कोई ट्रिक तो लग ही जाता है. सम और अदर ट्रिक्स वी कैन अप्लाई इन while solving the calculation part. This one, next one,
6942.
6942.
6942.
Everyone is getting same value. Okay, 6942.
Yes.
See 89 and this is 78. So one line 8 9 72, 2 carry 7, we have to remember. 8 is a 64 and 9 7 is a 63. So 64 square we know 128, 1 less 127, 127 1 7, 134, 4 carry 3 because 134 right, 4 will go down and 13 will be in carry. 8 7 56, 56 or 10 this will be 66 and 3 69, correct. 6942, but lot of practice and patience is required while solving, especially these calculations. 6942 is right answer.
Sir, can you explain the last one?
Fine, no problem. See, once again we'll see 89 and 78. So see, same process, state multiplication. State means 9 8s are 72, 2 carry will be 7, carry will be right, this now adjacently. Now we'll do cross multiplication. So while doing cross multiplication, we'll have 8 8s are 64 and 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63 and 8 8s are 64. 64 and 63 will be 127. We know directly we can write 64 2s are 128 and 1 less because one value is 63. So 127 will get, or we can add also 127. 127 plus 7, this carry will be added. This will be 134. 134. So 4 will come down, this one, and 13 will be going carry. Last value is the this now we can we write here, and 13 will be in carry forward. So carry forward will be added here. 8 7 56, 56 plus 13, 56 plus 13 will be 639 516, 69, 6942 will be the answer. 6 8 8 are 64, 9 7 are 63. So 64 128, 1 less 123. 1 less means 127, and then 7 will add to 134. 134 for 134, 4 will come here, 13 will go in carry. Remaining value, last value comes down, remaining value goes in carry. So 8 7 are 56 plus this now 13 will be 69. Got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else have any doubt? Ahil, Anudeep, Akhil, Ashish, Drishi, Mohammed, Nihant. Everyone is getting right. First, this we have solved first set of question of fourth trick. Now I'll see second set of question for fourth trick, 4b. So one by this is very first one is very easy. Everyone should get the answer. What is the value?
588.
5 8.
0 8 or only 1 8? 588.
5 double 8.
Right. See, 4 2 ja 8, then cross 2 and 4 4 ja 16. 2 4 4 ja 16. 16 to 18 8 carry 1. 4 on ja 4 on ja 4, and then 1 carry will be added 5. Right. 588 will be the value. State, then state we have to remember, then cross multiplication, then once again state. Carry forward will be this added to the next term. Next one.
3772.
3 double 7 2.
772. 3 is 772. Okay. See, 46 82. State 6 to 12 2 carry 1 cross 4 to 8 8 6 are 42 42 and 1 second 6 to 12 2 carry 1 8 6 are 48 and then this will be 8 56 157 7 carry 5 we can write 8 4 is 32 5 37 correct. 3772 is the right answer. Next one 56 79. Everyone can try.
4 4 2.
4424.
4 4 4.
4424. Okay. See, 9
Yeah.
6 are 54 4 carry 5 then cross 9 5 are 45 and then 7 6 are 42 42 42 84 and 3 85 85 and 590. I am getting 1 second. 56 into 79. 9 6 are 54 4 carry 5 9 5 are 45 and 7 6 are 42 45 and 42.
Sir, the next one 34 into
1 second. 87 and 5 92 92 2 and carry will be 9. 7 5s are 35 and 9 44. 4424 is the right answer. Okay, next
Sir,
one.
the next one I got 816.
816. Next one is easy. 34 24. State will be 16 6 carry 1 cross 12 and 8 20 21 21 1 carry 2 2 will be added here 3 to 6 to 8 correct 816 is the right value. Everyone should get all the values and because
The
time
next one you get 2584.
2584. Okay, see 68 and 38 we have to do. So state 8 is a 64 4 carry 6 then 8 6 are 48 and this will be 24. 48 and 24 we can do it separately also. 8 for 12 2 carry 1 6 1 7 and then 6 we have to add 6 also carry so 78 8 carry 7 6 3 18 and 7 18 and 7 25 2584 is the right one. Last one
7742.
7742. Okay, 7742 is the value. So let me check once. It seems correct. 79 and this 98 big values. 9 8 are 72 2 carry 7 cross 8 7 are 56 we write it separately 9 9 are 81 81 and 56 will be 617 8 5 13 then 7 addition so 1 this will be 144 4 carry will be 14 9 7 are 63 and 10 73 and 4 77 correct 73 and 4 77 77 42 will be the right answer 79 into 98 7742 right. I think all the 4 tricks सबको आया समझ में everyone should know and this will be this now while solving the question in 10th 11th 12th everywhere throughout the life we can remember and anytime anywhere we can apply these tricks. Now we'll see some more questions based on these 4 tricks only and I will call the name of the student who has to answer them.
Increase the volume. That's favor.
1 second. Actually because of some network issue also it may be possible because in evening we have this one
Sir, actually I have full network.
because from my side also problem can be possible because in evening normally we have less because of network issue also voice
There might be some.
network problem. So based on these 4 tricks only we will see some more questions and I will ask this the name of the student who has to answer from these 4 this now we can say methods only. These are the standard questions. We'll see from these 4 tricks only some more questions. 1 second. Because now we have solved the standard method, but most of you gave the answer, but some of the students now are remaining still. I think so. Everyone should have the knowledge. So
Will you
now
take
say
the names are answered by ourselves?
I will ask the student who has to answer. Second thing, second mixed question will be there. Means any this out of these 4 this now tricks, any trick we can apply. Because random question will be there. So first one is one second question not complete. So this I want answer from 1 second. Steve, you can answer please. First one.
Sir, it's 72 or 71?
This is 71. This is 79. 79 into 71, right?
56.
56.
53 or 9.
Right answer, right Steve. So 7 is there. Next value will be 8. Because trick number 1 we can say. 9 1 10 is there. Condition satisfied. First number is same. 56. And this will be 0 9. So 9 into 1. Because 4 digit will be there in this now multiplication. Because if we take 7 only 7 also no, then 3 digit automatically 79 into 7 will be 3 digit number. So 79 into 71 will be 4 digit number. That's why we put 0 9 correct. Next one. This I want to answer from Ahil. Are you there in the session? No? Please answer this question. Second one, you chat option or you can say also by unmuting from your side. 39 into 11. What will be the answer?
Sir, can I answer?
429.
429. 429.
Yes.
See, right, 3, then 9 separately, multiplication with 11, basically third trick, and 9, 3, 12, 2, carry 1, 3, 1, 4. Right. Next one is 35 square. Anudeep, you can answer this question. Anudeep, are you in this session? No? Please answer.
Yes,
Sir, can I
sir.
answer?
Sir, can I
Other,
answer?
other can answer on chat. Actually, no, Anudeep can answer first, and then others can also answer on chat. Right, I got answer from Steve, Rashul, Tanisha.
Sir, 35 square is 1225.
1225, perfect. Because 5 ending with 5, 25, then 3
5
digit
square is
4.
25
Correct,
and
correct.
4 is
5 square 25, correct. Then next digit is from 3 we have 4. So 3 4s are 12, right. Next one. (38 into 37). So I want answer from Ashish. Ashish Prince, please answer this question.
Can
Others can use chat option, or after Ashish they can answer. Ashish, please try this question. 38 into 37. I'm see
1406 is it?
1406. Most of you have this thing gave correct answer only. And Zila, Vedika, okay, Rashul, Uddhav, Teja, right. Pratibha, please try once again because answer is 1406, not 1256. Samrat is correct, right. So let me solve also 38, 37. So straight multiply because no condition is there. 8, 7, 56, 6 carry 5 cross 7, 3 are 21 and 8, 3 are 24. 24 is 48. 48 minus 3, 45. 45 plus 5, 50. 0 carry 5. Then 9, 5, 14. Correct. Right value. This now 1406. Next one. 1 second. This is big value, but we can try. Here I want answer from you. 3-digit number with multiplying with 3-digit number. What will be the value? I got okay. This year. Let me check. It seems correct, most of you. Right. 999, then 0009.
9.
Everyone is getting this answer because Steve, please check once.
Sorry, sir.
We have three digits because 991 and 999. So first trick will be applicable because first 2 digits are same and 9 plus say one's position means last one we can say 9 plus 1 10. So after 99 we have 100 value. So we can multiply 99 with 100, 9900, and this 9 into 1 9. But see anytime now we are getting one value 9 into 1 9. We can write 09. Suppose we are getting 9 into 2, we can directly write 18. 9 into 3, no issue, 27. But 9 into 1 4, we write not 9, 09 always. We have to remember. So 99 000 9, 99 000 9. See, let me explain once again. So first two values are same, 99, 99 is same, and 9 addition of one's place digit. Actually, addition of one's place digit should be equal to 10. So condition is satisfied basically because first two values are same and one's place addition is 10, right? So we can have this next value 99 then 100. Next value is 100. 100 into 99 is 99 000, no issue. Now next is multiplication of one's place this now values numbers 9 into 9. So 9 into 9 is 9, but every time we have to write 09 because see, if you're getting 2-digit number, suppose 9 into 2, we can write 18 as it is here. Last two we can say values, last 2 digits. 9 into 3 we can write 27, no issue. But for 9 into 1, every time we have to write not 909. This we can remember because total this now 6-digit number will come. Multiplying this now 6-digit number should come. 6-digit number. So 6-digit number will be 3-digit and then 3 digits, total 6-digit, because if we don't take this now 09, then it will be 5-digit number. That is basically wrong. That's why we'll put 09 in place of 9. Simple 9 basically. Question 6. This way you can try. 425 square. Mohammed Shabdab,
Sir.
please answer this answer. Please answer this question.
Can-
Yes. Yes, someone is asking. Pushiye. 1 second.
Sir, is my answer is correct or no? Oh, sorry.
180625 Vedika. Rashu 180625. Most of you have written same answer, means it will be correct only.
Sir, 180,625.
180
180,625.
it seems correct. 5 is there, so we will put 5 for 5 25, 5 square 25. 42 is there, so first two values we can multiply with next two digit 43. So 42 43 we can multiply with our trick, two state multiplication 6, then cross 4 3 are 12, and this 4 2 is 8. 12 plus 8 20, 0, carry 2 can be written here. 4 4 is 16 to 18, correct. 1806 then 25. Perfect. Right. Next one. (98 into 11). Okay, I got answer from Rashul.
Sir, it's 1078.
1078. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Because 11 multiplication we know the trick. 9 we write 8 space in middle. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry will be 1 here. 9 1 10. So 1078 will be the answer. Suppose this question is for everyone. Anyone can answer this question. Once 789 3-digit number, we have to multiply with 11. How we can do? 789.
Sir, my answer is 8679.
Yes, sir, I also got it.
Okay.
Yes, sir, same.
8679 means you know the trick actually. 11 multiplication of 3-digit and more digit number. So for other students also, let me explain what is the trick. See, so in this now we cannot write in between some space, and this will be, we can say, we can use this method also. So let me solve. We can put a space in between the numbers basically. Here 2-digit number was here 9, then space 8. Here 2 spacing will be there, 7 space 8 space 9, and between we will add 8 9 17. 8 plus 9 17, 7, carry 1 actually carry 1 will be carry 1, this will be 9. No, this technique we cannot apply. So let me explain how we can solve this one. This trick is another trick we can see in detail. We'll see in next session, not an issue, but just for this now one different question. So see, here we'll assume 0 for those who don't know this trick, and for others also 0 and 0 we will assume on both sides, because nothing is there, we can assume 0 0, and we will start adding. 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 8 17, 7 77, carry 1 8 7 15, 1 16, carry 1, 7 plus 0 7, and 1 8. Got it? Let me explain once again. 11 we have to multiply with 11. So 11 we can with 11 we can multiply 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, any value we can multiply, and this we'll see in detail in our next session. So see, what is the trick? We have to assume 0 here and 0 in both sides. Basically nothing is there, we can assume 0. Now we'll do addition of the adjacent values. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. We can mark in circle also. 8, 9, 17, 7. Carry 1. Carry 1 we have to remember. Then adjacent value. 8, 7, 15. 116. Carry 1. 7 plus 0, 7, 1, 8. Got it? Sabko aaya? Everyone got the understanding?
Yes, sir.
One last question for today, and one just for practice, and this trick we'll see in detail. Suppose we have the value 8, 9, 6 into 11. Everyone can try this not to make this trick a bit more understanding, and then we'll see in detail in our next session. This trick and other tricks also.
9856.
Yes, sir. 9856.
Yes.
Everyone is getting 9856. Okay, see, same technique, same trick we can say. Here we'll assume 0, here also 0, and we'll start addition. 6 plus 0 is 6, 9, 6, 15, 5, carry 1, 8, 9, 17, 1, 18, carry 1 we have to remember. 8 plus 0 also will do. 8 plus 0 is 8, 8, 1, 9. 9856 is the right answer. All this now you can solve once again at your home, and use this calculator to verify the answer, or calculator or mobile to verify the answer. And I'll share both this PDF and this PDF with you on Google Drive. Sorry, Google Classroom. Fine. So now say new students, these students can stay back, and others can log out from the session. Session over now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah, bye bye. So Tanisha and then this now Roshan, right? They can stay back. So Tanisha and Roshan, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you like this session, no? For today. Today was the first session of Vedic Maths, and this now. I hope you both of you got the understanding how we have done this now. Whatever question we have solved, what was the trick behind that? Four tricks only we have seen today. Other 4 tricks we'll see in next session.
Okay, sir.
Any question you want from me? Any doubt? Anything you want me to clear?
There is no questions. So where can we get the PDF?
PDF you all will get in Google Classroom. This now, in our this now group now, sir have mentioned this now Google Classroom link is there. Once again I will forward that message. So in Google Classroom now we have to this now sign up with student ID, and there you will get this notes for both maths and Vedic Maths for both. Whatever sessions we had now, for those PDF you will get there.
Okay, sir.
Right. Tanjila, you have any question? Any doubt? Anything you want me to ask? So see. Okay. Next, see, Monday and Saturday we have this Vedic Math session. Most probably timing will be same, 7 to 8, and Wednesday and Friday we have math session. So I will take both Vedic Maths and Maths for you all, and most probably this time will be same, 7 to 8. Saturday timing can differ. We'll update. Means Saturday, because I have another session from 7 to 8, so most probably it will be from 5:30 to 6:30, and from next week we'll update, because now Wednesday and Friday is 7 to 8 is maths fixed, and for Vedic Maths 7 to 8 is for Monday, and Saturday we'll update. Most probably it will be from 5:30 to 6:30 in evening. Second thing, any question, any doubt you can ask in the middle also, while this session going on, and you can interrupt and you can ask. Also, after the session gets over, you are solving any question and you find any question difficulty, you can in the same group, same WhatsApp group, you can message in chat, And others can also answer if they know, or this one we can also answer, sir and me, for maths and science both. Because now most important is result, and results comes from continuous effort. We can say continuous effort means this now throughout the session we have to work hard. Means proper understanding is there, but mainly we have to give time to studies, and we are there to help you all. Fine. So no problem. So next session will be on this now. Science session will be tomorrow, and this math session will be on Wednesday, 7 to 8, same timings. Fine. So you all can also log out. No problem. Anything when ask on chat or this now in this now group also.
Sir, could you send like the timetable or something?
Timetable. See, timetable. Sir will inform you. This timetable is same. See, Monday. This Monday and this Saturday we have Vedic maths. Tuesday and this Thursday will be of science. Wednesday, Friday again maths, 10th maths. All this timetable I will share on this our group. No issue.
Okay.
All days we will have the session. 2 days for Vedic maths, 2 days for science, and 2 days for maths. Right. I will message.
Sir, and about the test, like what will the test be?
The test, sir, test was there on polynomial chapter yesterday, Sunday. So you can attempt. See, you can. Sir is joining. You can attempt till Saturday. Saturday means if you are getting this polynomial, we'll see in our next session is on Wednesday. We'll see polynomial chapter. If you feel you can attempt test by Saturday also. Till Saturday we have the deadline for giving the test of polynomials. Only 10 questions are there, all MCQs questions.
Okay, sir.
So you can attempt if you feel. See, on Wednesday we have the session, then Friday also. So after the session on Friday, you can attempt on Saturday morning. Test will be active till Saturday evening, 7 p.m. Saturday evening, 7 p.m. So before that, you can attempt anytime. Polynomials.
So like this Sunday test will be also on polynomials.
This Sunday test will be also on polynomials, right? Most probably, because topics are remaining. Correct.
Okay.
Because half of the portion we have completed, another half is remaining. So most probably, this Saturday will be also for polynomials. And next week, next week, we will have for another chapter, quadratic or linear equation. So this Sunday will be 21st March. So will be also on polynomial. Polynomial means we can say whole chapter. And right. So Saturday morning we can give for polynomial. This now for last week means 14th March, and this coming Sunday you can give for entire chapter.
Okay, sir. The how do I catch up the missed classes for polynomials?
See, 5 to 10 minutes before you can join the session. So we have only 1 or 2 sessions only. For polynomials, we had 2 sessions, I think. Not only one exercise we have completed. We have solved. Most of the portion are remaining basically. So 5-10 minutes you can join before. I will update. You can join 5-10 minutes before, and I will take those topics.
Okay.
No issue. Because most of the portion, more important topics are remaining of polynomials. Just
okay,
basically. Last week we had 2 sessions, but topics are very simple, and you will be understand.
Okay. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Prashant.